Time when the central government continues to remain focused as far as increasing the pace of COVID-19 vaccination is concerned. There are at least two separate incidents here that have now been reported in Bengaluru. Beneficiaries had to be turned away because stocks continue to run dry. This is at vaccine centers, and now this is a new problem of not having enough COVID certificates as well. These instances that are being reported despite the fact that the Bengaluru civic body has categorically stated that there is no such situation here, but our team at Mirror Now having visited two such centers here, and this is where the instances were reported. Take a look.
I'm saying we have only 100 doses. Almost there are 300 people. They'll come tomorrow.
I got an
we will see the
online
result
appointment. I got an online appointment.
Where is your
right?
report?
Which report?
Negative report.
Why it is mandatory? It's not mandatory.
If you get positive, okay. Or if you have
It's
any.
not mandatory, na?
Who said?
I booked an online slot. You should mention it there that COVID negative is.
I'm not Modi or something, okay?
Whoever.
I can't do
You are
that.
part of
Okay.
system, right?
Yeah.
Are you part of the system?
I'm just a swab collector in
So
BBP, okay?
okay. So in that system, they should say that if you are.
Please off the camera first.
Well, being in complete denial of those shortages here, when Mirror Now asked the BBMP about this specifically, those officials, though, have said that these were only stray incidents and they had resulted out of miscommunication.
So nowhere is there a mandate that one needs to be an RT-PCR negative test record to be provided there, or that we test you on the spot and only then allow you for vaccination, because the whole objective of vaccination is to have maximum coverage. Okay. Yes, in some cases where it is observed that someone who's come for vaccination is clearly symptomatic, probably has clear signs of ILI or SARI. There, as a matter of abundant caution, it is better that the person is tested first and then permitted for vaccination, even in terms of his own health condition. So, except for that one exception, there is no standing order per se that everybody needs to get tested before they are vaccinated.
Okay. So sir, this is happening in multiple places. Now we've visited two places, in the Anjanapura ward, and also, over here in Maruti Sevanagar as well, where people are being mandated to carry a negative report or they will not be vaccinated. And these are not the walk-in cases, but even those who have registered and come down. So why is this happening, sir, on ground?
I do admit that we've been hearing some stray cases here and there of this happening. We will clarify this in writing. We do have daily video conferences with the health officers. So we will clarify this aspect to them.
What action is going to be taken against these officers or, the staff who's forcing people to get the certificate? And two, what about those people who've missed out on the vaccination now because of this?
See, one is we need to check with them as to whether they've got any contrary directions on the ground. So that is for us to internally examine and find out. And I mean, if at all somebody has defaulted willingly, knowingly, then obviously action needs to be taken. But I largely feel it is a bit of a miscommunication, or they felt that this is a target group to be tested.
Let's get in further details. Our correspondent Neha with those updates here. Neha, you've of course tried to take in some official response here to this as well, but there is a shocking denial to something that exists on ground, to something that people have suffered as well, being turned away from vaccine centers.
Well, it's absolutely right, Seher. It's most unfortunate that, for a state like Karnataka that keeps claiming that, they are trying to do a mass vaccination for all, that nobody should be denied the vaccination. Here you have instances wherein, we're seeing how people are being denied the vaccination for not having a COVID negative report. Now, nowhere, anywhere, in the state of Karnataka, or even for that matter, the guidelines issued by the Union Ministry, nowhere does it mention that one must possess a negative RT-PCR certificate to actually get vaccinated. So for the officials over here on ground to now be framing their own rules is nothing but a mere violation, denying people of their right to get vaccinated. Here you saw a video where one of the beneficiaries was actually arguing with the healthcare staff over there at the primary healthcare center. He was being denied his vaccination despite booking a slot on the CoWIN portal and presenting himself there for his vaccination. Now, having said that, Sahir, what needs to be looked at right now is the response that's come in over here from the government. They've said that it could be nothing but a mere miscommunication. Now, this is very unfortunate that, it's just been brushed aside as mere miscommunication, because even today, as we're seeing that, people aren't being allowed to get vaccinated if they do not have a negative certificate, and no actual rationale behind this is what we're picking up right now. It's not just for the people who are in fact turning up at the healthcare centers, but it's also for those people who are getting vaccinated as a part of a vaccination camp that's being organized either at workplaces, at manufacturing units where it's being done in mass as well. There too, people are being asked to show a negative report before getting vaccinated.
Right. Well, Neha, many thanks for getting us those updates.